Hello everyone, myself Professor Savita R. Shinde, working as an assistant professor at Kekewa College of Agriculture Business Management, Nashik. Today I am here with a new topic, that is manures and their types. What is meant by manures? So manures are the organic materials which are derived from animal, human or plant residues which contain nutrients in complex organic forms. Let's see the classification of organic manures. There are two types of organic manures, bulky organic manures and concentrated organic manures. Under bulky organic manures, first one is farmyard manure, then compost, night soil, sewage and sludge, green manuring, agro-industrial waste. So under compost, there are three types. Compost from farm litter, which is called as rural or farm compost. Second one is compost from town refuse, which is also called as urban compost. And third one is mechanical compost. Under green manuring, there are two types, green manuring in situ and green leaf manuring. And under agro-industrial waste, like gobar gas, slurry, poultry manures, wood ash, husk and twigs, then wood and silkworm waste and sugar factory waste. This is about bulky organic manures. Now, which are the different concentrated organic manures? So there are basically two types. First one is plant originated concentrated organic manures and second one is animal originated concentrated organic manures. Under plant originated concentrated organic manures, examples are oilseed cakes. There are two types of oil cakes, that are edible oil cake and non-edible oil cakes. Under animal originated concentrated organic manures, here are some 7 types, like blood meal, meat meal, fish manure, or which is also called as fish meal. Next is bone meal, then raw bone meal, steamed bone meal, and last one is horn and hoof meal. Let's see the classification of organic manures in detail. So first is bulky organic manures, means organic material of natural origin having a greater volume per unit nutrient content. That's why it is called as bulky organic manures. Bulky organic manures having C/N ratio may be about 20:1. Some examples of bulky organic manures are like farmyard manure, compost, green manure, night soil, sludge and sewage, etc. All these manures are bulky in nature, which supply plant nutrients in small quantities and organic matter in large quantities. Out of these, farmyard manure and compost and green manures are most important and widely used. Next is concentrated organic manures. Organic materials of natural origin having small volume per unit nutrient content. That's why they are called as concentrated organic manures. Its C/N ratio may be about or less than 10:1. Concentrated organic manures contain higher percentage of major plant nutrients like nitrogen, phosphorus and potassium. Examples under concentrated organic manures are oil cakes, blood meal, meat meal and bone meal. Let's see the types of concentrated organic manures with their images. So first is plant originated concentrated organic manures. These concentrated manures are made from plant residues, for example oil cakes. So there are two types of oil cakes, edible oil cakes and non-edible oil cakes. Edible oil cakes are suitable for feeding to the cattle, for example groundnut cake, cotton seed cake, linseed cake and sesame cake. Then next is safflower cake. So these are the examples of edible oil cakes. You can see these images here. Then next is non-edible oil cakes, which are not suitable for feeding to the cattle. Examples are castor oil cake, then karanj cake, mahua cake, and neem cake, etc. So you can see the images of these non-edible oil cakes here. Next is animal originated concentrated organic manures. So these concentrated manures are made from raw materials of animal, for example bone meal, fish meal, blood meal, poultry manure, and last one is meat meal. So at the bottom of the slide you can see the examples of animal originated concentrated organic manures. In this way we have covered the introductory part of manures with their types. So I hope you like this video. Thank you.